Welcome to Jelastic Cluster Admin Panel. Let's pass two-factor authentication and exploit domain functionality. Here you can track cluster workload history, environment statistics, and software stacks load. Manage currently available regions at your Jelastic platform. Edit host groups. Add new regions. Control hardware sets with different parameters allocated within these regions. Migrate containers from one host node to another to perform maintenance or other operations. You can easily maintain the existing environments. Add or remove stack templates that should be available for end users. You can control user accounts and group they belong to by changing status, account quotas, etc. Group up the users based on specific quotas, availability region, and pricing model. Get cluster billing statistics according to consumption of cloudlets, storage, IP addresses, SSL, and traffic. Choose pricing models and create separate tariffs for each resource usage. Use reports to inspect all performed operations. Manage access rules and analyze audit log to track the changes. Customize default email templates by changing the texts, language, or even email formatting. Set up marketplace according to your needs. Create and publish new applications or adjust available packaged solutions. Manage accounts of resellers and VIP customers. Enjoy full control and flexibility with Jelastic.